So in this video we will learn how to find the equation of line when 2 points are given and then converting it into different forms. So various forms like the point slope form, then it will be slope and y-intercept form. So these forms we'll be studying in this. Now coming to the first question. So here it is, find the equation of line passing through the points these two, and it should be in the point slope form. So point slope form is this one. So for this, first step is to find the slope. So these are the 2 points. So we'll take one as x1 y1, other becomes our x2 y2. So the slope is the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when you find the slope using this, so it will be 2 minus 6 over minus 4 minus 5. So which will be your 2 plus 6, so which is 8 over minus 9. So which we can write minus 8 over 9. So this is the slope. And now using this slope, and we can use any one point, so I'm using this point. So now we write the equation. So it is y minus y1. So here this is the formula, so we keep this place blank, and m we are going to substitute, and I'm writing x minus x1. So we keep this place blank. Now in place, this is your x1 y1, so we plug in the values here. So it is minus 6 and x1 is 5, so we write it here, and the slope value is minus 8 over 9, so we write here. So which will be now written as y, so minus and minus it becomes plus, so y plus 6 minus 8 over 9 times x minus 5. So this is the answer for it. Now coming to the next question. So again we have to find the equation of line passing through the 2 points, but now it should be later on converted into y is equals to mx plus b form. So we can start with the question as, so this will take as x1 y1, this becomes x2 y2, and first step is we'll find the slope. So it is y2 minus y1, so we write minus 2 minus 3 and over 3 minus minus 2. So which will be minus 2 minus 3 over 3 plus 2. So which is minus 5 over 5, which is just minus 1. So this is the slope value which we will be using. And to find the equation now in the form y is equals to mx plus b, so we write the equation as y is equals to, so in place of m, now I'm writing this minus 1 and x and then plus b. We can use any one point to find the value of b, so we are using this one. So the point is your minus 2 and 3. So basically now we take these as x and y. So when we plug it in this equation, so it is 3 is equals to minus 1 times minus 2 and plus b. So it is 3 is equals to minus 1 times minus 2 is positive 2 and plus b. Now to isolate b, we subtract 2. So we get 1 is equals to, this gets cancelled, so b is 1. So we write the final answer as y is equals to, this is the slope, this is the b value. So we write the equation y is equals to m is your minus 1 times it is x and plus b. So b value is 1. So this will be your final answer. Now the next question. So in this we have to find the equation in the general form. So we again take first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2, and we start the equation for finding the equation. So first we always have to find the slope using the 2 points, that is minus 4 minus 2 over 6 minus 4. So which will be minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 2 over 6 minus 4. So it will be minus 6 over 2. So which when divided will give you minus 3. So m is your minus 3. Now for finding the equation, we can use y minus y1 first equals m times x minus x1. So when we plug in the value, so I'm writing these as x1 y1. So it is 2 equals m is minus 3 times x minus the x1 value is 4. Now we simplify and rearrange to get the equation in the general form. So distributing minus 3 with the bracket terms, so it is minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 4 becomes plus 12. So since we want all the terms to be on one side, and we always look for the x coefficient to be positive. Since x coefficient is negative here, so we bring the terms on the left side, or we can do plus 3x and plus 3x here. And we also want to get the constant 12 on the left side, so we subtract 12 and subtract 12, so these two gets cancelled. So we get on the left side, always write as required the x term first, so 3x, and then we write plus y, so this one, and then minus 2 and minus 12 will be minus 14, and on the right side we can see both the terms have cancelled, so it is 0. So this is the general form of the equation of line. So if you want to compare it, so we can also write the values. So what are the values of a? So a is your 3, b is coefficient of y, so here b coefficient of y, nothing is there, that means we should take it as 1. So b is 1, and the constant c, and which is minus 14. So sometimes you'll be required to write these values also. So pause the video and try these questions. So it will be in different forms, it will be required. So point slope, slope intercept, and the general form. If you are not able to do it, you can refer to the video again and then again try it on your own. And once you get the answers, just check the answers on the next slide. So here are the answers given. Hope you got the answers correct. Thank you.